Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. How big of an audience do you need for your Facebook and Instagram ads? If you like content like this, please give me a like and subscribe, and let's jump into it. So how big of an audience do you need for your Facebook and Instagram ads? Well, at least 800,000. And you want just one audience, so one interest group per ad set. Because if you put more than one interest group per ad set, you're not going to know which one is performing good. Maybe one is good and one is bad, and the bad one is pulling the performance down from the good one. So you want to have just one big interest group per ad set. And the reason that we need so big audiences is after the iOS update a few years ago, where people with iOS devices, so Apple phones, they could opt out of tracking. So the Facebook tracking is a lot less accurate now, and therefore we need larger audiences. And now it's even being rolled out that people in Europe, they can opt out of tracking with any kind of device. So we definitely need larger audiences. But larger audiences is also a lot more scalable. Because if you have a small targeted audience, it may perform great in the beginning, but it's going to be burned out really, really fast, and then the ad performance is going to drop, and you're going to have to find new audiences and do new testing. That's going to cost more money in the long run. So larger audiences is a lot more scalable and produces a lot better results in the long run. Also because the Facebook algorithm is very good at finding exactly the right people who wants to buy and who's interested in your product, even in a large audience. So comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also, please download our free ebook. There's a link in the description called Social Media Marketing for Coaches and Consultants. There's a link in the description. Go there and download it. And also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. And if you want us to do all this for you, then you can book a call with me or my team to learn more about it. We specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. There's a link in the description, and book a free call with us to learn more about it. Take care. Bye.